ChromaDim is a 24-volt all-in-one tunable light and dimming system that features simple installation and automatic pairing. At the heart of the system is the ChromaDim driver, compliant with IEEE, Title 24, and UL. The 90-watt 3.5 amp Class 2 driver is capable of powering long runs of up to 26 feet, dimming from 100% down to 0.1%, and is smooth and flicker-free. But what makes ChromaDim so cool is the wall-mounted ChromaDim switch. The switch easily auto-pairs to the driver and can control up to 6 separate tunable white systems. And it all uses GM Lighting's popular LTRS tunable white tape. The tape is rated at 3 watts per foot and is able to display ChromaDim's extensive range of color temperatures, from 2400K to 5000K. Think of all the applications that would benefit from ChromaDim, from residential to commercial, and from hospitality to retail display. ChromaDim adjusts the atmosphere by enabling subtle yet distinct ambient color temperatures. Lighting and interior designers have for many years now recognized the benefits that color temperature has on not only ambiance, but health and well-being. ChromaDim is Circadian Rhythm friendly. Contact your GM Lighting representative today. Thanks for watching.